Welcome to Jammu, nestled amidst the foothills of the Himalayas, a city where the echoes of history resonate through ancient temples and forts. This is the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir, a region often referred to as the paradise on earth, and today we'll discover why. Join me as we journey through serene landscapes, encounter vibrant cultures, and explore the spiritual heart of this northern Indian city. From the tranquil banks of the Tawi River to the snow-capped peaks of Patnitop, Jammu offers a diverse tapestry of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. The lifeblood of Jammu, the Tawi River, flows gracefully through the heart of the city, its waters reflecting the changing hues of the sky. The riverbanks come alive with activity from dawn till dusk. Local fishermen cast their nets hoping for a bountiful catch while families gather for picnics, their laughter echoing across the water. Pilgrims make their way to the ancient temples that line the riverbanks, their faith as constant as the Tawis flow. The river is a sanctuary for a variety of birdlife. Kingfishers with their vibrant plumage dive for fish, and egrets wade gracefully in the shallows. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow on the water, the Tawi transforms into a canvas of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the enduring spirit of Jammu. Our journey takes us now to the outskirts of Jammu, to the serene oasis of Mansar Lake. This picturesque lake, nestled amidst the rolling hills, is a hidden gem that offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As we approach, the first thing that strikes us is the sheer tranquility that envelops the area, a stark contrast to the urban chaos left behind. Surrounded by lush green forests, the lake shimmers like an emerald jewel, its waters reflecting the vibrant greenery that encircles it. The dense foliage provides a natural canopy, creating a serene and cool environment that invites visitors to linger and explore. The air here is fresh and invigorating, filled with the earthy scent of the forest and the subtle fragrance of wildflowers. The surface of the lake is a mirror, perfectly reflecting the clear blue sky above. On a calm day, the water is so still that it seems almost otherworldly, a perfect reflection of the heavens. This creates a mesmerizing effect where the boundary between sky and water blurs, making it feel as though you are floating in a dream. Legend has it that the lake was created by the mythical serpent king Vasuki, and its waters are considered sacred. This mythological significance adds a layer of mystique to the lake, drawing pilgrims and tourists alike who come to pay their respects and seek blessings. The serpent statue near the lake stands as a testament to this ancient legend, a reminder of the rich cultural heritage that surrounds Mansar Lake. Here, time seems to slow down, and the gentle lapping of the water against the shore invites contemplation and reflection. The rhythmic sound of the waves is soothing, a natural lullaby that calms the mind and soul. It's a perfect spot for meditation, where one can sit by the shore and lose themselves in the beauty of the moment. Colorful boats dot the lake, offering visitors a chance to glide across its tranquil surface and soak in the serenity. Boating on Mansar Lake is a popular activity, providing a unique perspective of the surrounding landscape. As you paddle through the calm waters, you can feel the stress and worries of daily life melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and contentment. The surrounding forests are home to a variety of bird life, their melodious calls adding to the symphony of nature. Birdwatchers will find this place a paradise, with numerous species to observe and enjoy. The sight of birds flying gracefully over the lake, their reflections dancing on the water, is a sight to behold and a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Mansar Lake is a sanctuary for both the soul and the senses, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with the tranquility of nature. Whether you are seeking solitude, adventure, or a spiritual retreat, Mansar Lake offers something for everyone. Its natural beauty and serene ambience make it a perfect destination for those looking to rejuvenate and find inner peace. We ascend now into the majestic Himalayas, our destination, the hill station of Patnitop. As we climb higher, the air grows crisp and cool, carrying the scent of pine and cedar. Patnitop, perched at an elevation of over 6,000 feet, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the snow-capped Himalayan peaks. This is a paradise for nature lovers, with numerous trekking trails winding through dense forests of deodar and fir. The meadows are carpeted with wildflowers in spring, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the deep green of the surrounding forests. Patnitop is also home to a variety of wildlife, including the elusive musk deer and the Himalayan black bear. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the mountains, Patnitop transforms into a magical wonderland, a place where the sky seems to touch the earth. Chapter 4, The Pilgrimage to Vaishno Devi. Our journey takes on a spiritual dimension as we make our way to Katra, the gateway to the sacred shrine of Vaishno Devi. Nestled in the Trikuta Mountains, Katra is a bustling town that serves as the starting point for this revered pilgrimage. The streets are alive with the energy of thousands of pilgrims, each one driven by a deep sense of devotion and purpose. Millions of devotees from across India and beyond embark on this arduous pilgrimage each year, their faith driving them to scale the steep mountain path. The journey is not just a physical challenge, but a spiritual quest, a test of one's faith and endurance. Pilgrims often chant hymns and prayers as they climb, creating an atmosphere of collective devotion and determination. The journey to the shrine is an integral part of the pilgrimage, a physical and spiritual test of endurance. Along the way, pilgrims form bonds with fellow travelers, sharing food, water, and words of encouragement. These acts of kindness and solidarity are a testament to the communal spirit that defines this sacred journey. Along the way, pilgrims are greeted by breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains, their slopes dotted with temples and shrines. The natural beauty of the Trikuta Mountains serves as a constant reminder of the divine presence, inspiring awe and reverence in the hearts of the devotees. The journey is as much about appreciating the splendor of nature as it is about reaching the holy shrine. The air is thick with incense and the sound of chanting as devotees make their way to pay homage to the goddess Vaishno Devi. The rhythmic chants and the fragrant smoke create an atmosphere of deep spirituality, enveloping the pilgrims in a sense of peace and devotion. Each step taken is a step closer to the divine, a journey inward as much as it is upward. The shrine itself is located inside a holy cave, and the atmosphere is electric with devotion. As pilgrims enter the cave, they are filled with a sense of awe and reverence. The cave is adorned with offerings and lit by the soft glow of candles, creating a serene and sacred space where devotees can connect with the divine. For those who make the journey, the pilgrimage to Vaishno Devi is a life-altering experience, a journey of faith and self-discovery. It is a testament to the power of devotion and the human spirit's capacity for endurance. The memories of this sacred journey stay with the pilgrims long after they have returned home, serving as a source of inspiration and strength in their daily lives. Chapter 5. We now venture into the foothills of the Himalayas, exploring the rugged terrain of the Shivalik Hills. These ancient mountains, formed millions of years ago, form a natural barrier protecting the plains of Jammu from the cold Himalayan wind. The Shivaliks are a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. Dense forests of sal, teak and bamboo cover the lower slopes, providing habitat for a variety of animals, including leopards, monkeys and deer. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, from the shrill calls of eagles soaring high above to the melodic tunes of babblers flitting through the undergrowth. The Shivalik Hills offer endless opportunities for adventure and exploration, from challenging treks to remote villages to leisurely nature walks through serene forests. Chapter 6. Amidst the rugged beauty of the Himalayas, Jammu also offers moments of tranquility and artistic splendor in its Mughal-style gardens. These gardens are not just places of beauty, but also serve as a window into the region's rich history and cultural tapestry. The Mughal emperors, known for their love of nature and grand architecture, left an indelible mark on Jammu's landscape with these exquisite gardens. These gardens, inspired by the Persian gardens of the Mughal era, are a testament to the love for nature and architecture. The influence of Persian design is evident in the meticulous layout, the symmetry, and the use of water features that create a serene environment. Walking through these gardens, one can almost feel the presence of the Mughal emperors who once strolled through similar landscapes, seeking solace and inspiration. One such gem is the Bahu Fort and Garden, perched atop a hill overlooking the city. This historic site not only offers breathtaking views of Jammu, but also houses a garden that is a marvel of Mughal horticulture. The fort itself, with its ancient walls and storied past, adds a layer of historical intrigue to the serene beauty of the garden. The garden is laid out in a series of terraces, each with its own unique character. These terraces are designed to take advantage of the natural slope of the land, creating a multi-level landscape that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Each level offers a different perspective, a new vista, and a unique experience for visitors. Fountains gurgle, their gentle sound creating a soothing ambience, while the air is filled with the sweet fragrance of roses, jasmine, and other exotic flowers. These water features are not just decorative elements, they play a crucial role in the garden's ecosystem, providing a habitat for various aquatic plants and animals. The combination of water, flora, and fauna creates a harmonious environment that is both relaxing and invigorating. The gardens are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a haven for bird life, attracting a variety of species with their colourful blooms and lush greenery. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts will find these gardens particularly enchanting, as they offer a rare opportunity to observe a diverse array of bird species in their natural habitat. The presence of these birds adds an extra layer of life and vibrancy to the gardens, making each visit a unique experience. The Mughal gardens of Jammu are a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage, a harmonious blend of nature and human artistry. These gardens are more than just beautiful landscapes. They are living monuments to the ingenuity and vision of the Mughal architects and gardeners. They remind us of a time when art, nature, and architecture were seamlessly integrated to create spaces of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Visiting these gardens is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into the grandeur and elegance of a bygone era. Chapter 7. Our final destination takes us deep into the Himalayas, to the remote and pristine Kishtwar High-Altitude National Park. This hidden kingdom of snow-capped peaks, glaciers, and alpine meadows is a sanctuary for some of the Himalayas' most elusive creatures. Here, amidst the towering deodar and fir forests, the Himalayan brown bear roams, its massive frame navigating the rugged terrain with surprising agility. The elusive snow leopard, with its distinctive spotted coat, patrols its high-altitude domain, a master of camouflage amidst the rocks and snow. The park is also home to a variety of other wildlife, including musk deer, blue sheep, and a vibrant array of birds. Kishtwar High-Altitude National Park is a testament to the wild heart of the Himalayas, a place where nature reigns supreme. As our journey through Jammu comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the tranquil rivers and serene lakes to the majestic mountains and vibrant gardens, Jammu has revealed its many treasures. We hope this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Jammu firsthand, to immerse yourself in its rich culture and to witness the breathtaking beauty of its natural landscapes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.